happy holidays. Welcome, Aquaba, to Diane's channel. Still in Kumasi, and I'm just going to show you a portion of IKE'S Cafe and Grill. Remember, I told you I came in, it was quite dark, so I was not able to capture. So, believe it or not, it's quite busy now. But let me just show you a bit of IKE'S. IKE'S is surrounded, or I will say nestled around a pond. And the pond right here, guys, is where they do the point and kill with the catfish, rather. So this is it. Just a little bit I'm showing you, right? I had dined in this section up there. All here you have diners. It's lunchtime, so they're here. Hello, could you say hi to Diane's channel to the audience? Yes, these are my people I'm touring with. Yes. Guys, I mean, this is not even doing justice to the size of IKE'S, and you heard with that interview with Quab, the CEO. Yeah? This is just a small portion. And we're just going to, I'm going to show you, I'm exiting. So you'll just see this little bit when you come in.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Diners over to your left. Here. Yeah.
That's the fish you can go there.
Okay,
That's
let me
where
just
they
show
do
you
the
the
point
point
and
and kill. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Hello.
And that's where they do the point and kill with the fish.
With the fish.
Yeah.
So how much is one? How much is one?
Here. Here's the Christmas tree. It's Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. It truly is a sight to behold. And as you can see, the staff.
If you make such architecture with this furniture,
And this is, we're exiting, guys. And IKE'S is located at the cultural center. So I'll be sharing images Guys, this is IKE'S. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Medasi. God bless.